Hey everyone, I'm at the H10 Big Sur in Los Cristianos, Tenerife. It's a hot day and I'm just going to take a wee walking tour up to the Mirador Strip. But I'm just going to show you, it's golden over here. The sun's beautiful over there. Just going to show you. Front of the hotel is bowling, then you get mini golf. I'm just going to take a wee walk over here. It's a lovely night. So, look at the scenery. It's a great time. Can't wait to share all my travels with you all. Hope you enjoy. Graffiti rounds just about everything. Look at that. That'd all look nicer if it was just all white. So, there's a few restaurants there. If you're staying in H10 Big Sur and you're looking for a nice restaurant nearby, Rosario's, highly recommend it. It's just along there. It's about the third or fourth restaurant along. So, I'm just going to take you up this way. Now, where I started is actually the back of the H10 Big Sur. But I'm going to show you where the front is. Now if you stay, you've got a wee wristband, similar to this one, but you can go out the front, but I'm going to show you, this is the way you would probably go. See, if you go to the Mirador Strip, really, you'd be coming down this way. See up there is the front of the H10 Big Sur, and you're not far and you've got a taxi rank. So I'm just going to take you up here and show you around here. There's the Arona Gran, and just there, just directly in front, I think you can see a wee bit of it, that's where the market is every Thursday and, that's where the market is every Sunday and Tuesday. It's getting mixed up there. So I'm just going to show you, here's Charlie's Bar. Some good deals here. If you need a bank, use this bank, it'll be safe. I'm very careful about where I go. This is Charlie's Bar, there's the Rod Stewart tribute. So this is Cardiac Hill. I'll just show you briefly. See Charlie's restaurant, 3-course meal, €15. And the food's quite good. Now, scrub Cardiac Hill. Oh. It's hard work, get up Cardiac Hill. I've been up it so many times. I wouldn't normally go on holiday to somewhere like this in the middle of June, but we saw a good deal for the Mary Sol Hotel, which is a disabled friendly hotel. So for Jacqueline's sake, I thought we need to go for that. And it was half price, so we really had to go for it. It was a good deal. Plus Tenerife. Plus doing a YouTube channel, Tenerife's one of the best places you could go. So that's how Scotsman Kevin started out. And here I am, another Scotsman in Tenerife. Sorry to step on your toes, Kevin, that's got to be done. I've messaged Kevin a few times, really nice guy. Yet to meet him, but hopefully one day I will. Twice our paths have almost crossed. Last year I was in Geneva. I was there maybe about 2 weeks before it. And now I'm in Tenerife and he was here, a week before we came. So if you see us, mate, one day we need to meet up and I'll get you a drink. So it's been a wee bit busy walking up here, so I've had to cut back and forward a couple of times so I can cut people out. People don't like being filmed. And there's a homeless man there. And there's a homeless man there, so I'm turning the camera back on myself. I'll go back and give him some change. There's a wee supermarket there, and if up here and to the right, I'll just show you. If you go up there, it takes you to the Mirador Hotel. Now, this is the Mongolian barbecue restaurant, which is shut at the moment. I don't think I've ever seen it open, to be honest. Here, or the last time I was here. Okay folks, this is the Mirador Strip. And the first thing here is the football, I think. Football's on, oh no, there's music. Football's on tonight. It's a good Indian there. €15 for a 3-course meal. There's a good Italian. It's really busy. There's Taylor's Sports Bar. Free gift shop. There's Dylan's Sports Bar.
That long, really.
Victoria Steakhouse. That's Gigi's. It's Happy Days. Here's Bojangles. And I'll just show you further up. There's Chicago's. Quite lively. England's playing tonight. It's the World Cup at the time of filming. And I'll just show you up there's Highland Paddy and the Hoops Bar. And Highland Paddy is shut just now. So that's disappointing. So that's disappointing. Last time we were here, that was me and Jacqueline's bar, that's where we went. Now, we were going to go up here for something to drink, but I think we'll go to Charlie's bar. A lot quieter because it's so busy here. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you're staying at the H10 Big Sur, I hope you enjoy your stay. Hope you enjoy Tenerife. It's a lovely place, one of my favourites. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye bye.